Never.
Mama.
Jesus, my brain.
Are you stupid? How dare you? Nebona, lover, they love you now. I come to check on you if you don't chop the food where I give you finish. Nebona, why you slap me? Okay, because you bought me food. You feel you can touch me anyhow. Do I look hungry to you? Thank God I didn't eat the food. I gave it to my brother. See, if I come back, I see you for here. What I go do? You don't go like him. Nonsense. Never, are you leaving me?
Hello, handsome.
How much do you want?
Oh, you look so cute.
Okay, now you be the brother where chop the food.
I know you like me.
Hello, my good people on a day. What's this up? I'm OBIKING, you know now, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So this video is not going to be long. Go be very, very short, you understand? So make sure to watch it to the very end because you're about to learn something very, very important. Very important, you guys. So don't play. Let's go have some fun. Give them gala.
A few moments later.
Make you no believe. Waiting them they talk, now them show face again. Everything where them promise us before. We there for years, we never see. Now them be the architect of.
You saw this vote for gala.
They don't show again.
Now the gala come out.
Don't show again. They don't show again. Amuneke and his colleagues don't show again. They don't come again when you tell.
Yeah, pay now, pay. It's time to pay.
Every day. It pain us still, then they mock us. But them forget, say now we get power, make them no take us play. Cause if we
this woman, you go chop up. Yeah, where is that man? They don't get sense.
Don't show again. They don't show again. Don't show again. We don't tire for your endless life.
Give man gala.
We know what see the headings.
Fire and slap, boga. Hey! What you collect during election will not save you.
Now we get back and no money. See the bed where they give them no money.
That's true. We actually missed that there because of the traffic there. See, you're trying to tell me that that's what that thing is.
Beg.
Right?
I'm looking.
My grandma to get the black one. That one's good for you. You know? Are you there?
I'm fine. Let's just go. I'm running late.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Mama, oh my God. Mama.
Yo, why are you rushing?
Nothing.
Are you hiding something from me?
No. Nothing.
Let
Hey,
me
just drive. Just drive. Let's go. Yeah, we're running late.
What we they do? Say for
Okay, it's a big guy.
Baby, you know what I went through today? Come inside. Now my house now. Now my baby this way. Now she dey pay rent. Now she dey cook. Now she dey take care of the house. She dey quick best. She dey quick best. For the party this night, yes. No, just put wire around. You know how party they do that. Oh, babe, I was just thinking of what I can bought for you as somebody that is dating a young man. I don't see this speaker where they trend everywhere for TikTok, EXLG. They say this thing they deliver powerful bars with crisp voice. Whether it is music you are playing or you are watching movie or you are even doing normal.
My own engine inside house. Yes.
Man, they get all this kind of info. Let me bought one for my babe. Sleek like this with different function like this. I say my babe must love this one.
Sadiq! Tell these people to get out.
How am I done this verse? Babe, these are my
Let them leave.
Men now. My fellow hype men.
You are not deaf.
Mama do verse.
Sadiq, are you stupid?
He's very stupid.
Are you mad? Sadiq, how many times have I told you to stop this nonsense? How much are you getting from this thing? How much? Why are you embarrassed? Just shut up first. Shut up. I went out with my friend today. I saw you embarrassing yourself. Get out. Get out and move this nonsense. Get out. Move this nonsense. I wear it. Hype man.
You no go blame me now.
Nonsense hype man.
Yeah, it's me, your husband, though.
I beg you not sweet me heart. I beg you because which kind of rubbish sweet heart be that one? You beat that so. Okay, other people enter marriage, now their husband they give them money. If you reach my thought, every time you go they borrow money from me. Which kind of nonsense play be that one? And I'm poor.
So that is just 50,000 and 50,000.
Just
50,000. Why you not get them? Lord of Jesus. Bring it out, man. You don't get them. That 50,000 money.
Don't forget that the Bible said that a man and a woman will leave their family and cleave to each other and they will become one flesh. One flesh. We are one flesh, oh.
God forbid say that some people they there for flesh. You see this me and you sit down say it irritates me. I want to about you. Your poverty, you never they follow. Now you just begin to fall. Now poverty they follow you. Because somebody here even get balance, but your life you don't get balance. And more fear.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Hello, Paul. No, now just borrow me 50,000. I want to complete 300,000. I want to pay for hair. I won't give my wife. Yes, you don't do what I buy her gift. I won't give my wife one better hair like that, so that she go happy. You know, say I love that woman. And they can happily. You don't get to give me. I they give you, Paul. I they give you. No problem. No wahala.
Now you don't taxes. Say you get better use for the money. You don't tell me. I don't say you won't use and invest. Now you take small. What is 50,000? Don't say me and you stand not be the same thing. Where you can?
Woman brain. You don't use brain for her.
I don't send her.
50,000. Hey, my beautiful wife. I just always have one small problem. Oh. I'll come back and no worry. I'll come.
Good afternoon,
You don't mind me go.
Now my husband money. Tell him. Really? Madam, this our company hair looks so good on you. So you're among the first sort of people that patronize our hair. It's so good on you. Now my husband actually buy 350,000. Madam, no, this is not 350,000 naira hair. This one is the package of 10,000, not 350,000. My sister, Ogolo hair, no, they say 10,000. I say this hair now 350,000. I my husband buy him. Oh well, yeah, don't you nisi.
Let me declare, drink up. My wife get money. My wife get money now, just small format like this. I collect money for her hand. She get money, drink.
Your name now, sorry. She they come for you.
Ogolo hair is our company now. Anyways, the hair look good on you, man. 10,000. So Papa make a Almania one style below. Papa make you below me or where?
Below me.
Me let's say that can know. Papa make
you below me. Okay. Your name is sorry.
Senior man, well done.
Baba apprentice.
Where your guy?
Morgan no day today. Na me day. Na me being boy. Na me day today.
This one way they sit down, they look me like this. Make you know things I go allow you come back me. I go sit down here wait for your guy. Even if you go take your guy the whole year, I go sit down here wait for her. No be you go come spoil my hair this month.
Guy, come sit down now. Make I give you cut. I wrote 2 cuts. You no go ever forget for your life. Sabi Bible, I good now. No, this is not type of thing they like.
Senior man, get up, pick about you.
Perez comedian.
What you happen? Your wife they go vacation.
Vacation waiting. We don't divorce.
Wait, hope this is not divorce, so no affect my balance. So. But before they make a give a divorce picture.
You the sister we they play for. I tell you say we don't divorce. That's how picture they do now.
If you not they play, if you don't send me my balance now, because me too I know they play with my own shop.
We don't go our separate way. I don't return our diary.
When they return the diary, so why you not send my balance, John?
That's how picture they do now.
You not really know the kind of person when I be. Go ask about me. Go ask questions.
Anything you want to use the picture do. Who want to keep the picture? My house, my gallery. Why do they keep your picture for my house? So that is your picture do. Break the memory card. See the picture. Anyhow you want to do. Marriage just scatter. What do you call draw me money for? I'll be sorry to come my house the time. If you gree pick my call for daytime, I go find you call house for night. Make I use picture every same marriage just scatter. Tell do waiting now. Now me scatter on our marriage.
I wonder.
When they bend me that day for traditional marriage, just snap the toast, snap on my wife, they feed me, snap. That's how they bend up and down. All the young angles and snap her. You don't know say the marriage go scatter before you they tell me say make I take all those pictures. Make I keep marriage picture of marriage you don't scatter. Make I go and look the picture they cry. I bet mama don't know you. Can you man be this one?
Pay her money now.
But they struggle.
No problem. So now so you be no problem. I go post you and your wife picture online and screaming and man see whether you know find me come and give me my balance.
You have to pay him his money now. He doing work, you will pay him.
Hello.
Hello.
What's a beautiful angel like you standing under the sun?
I'm waiting for my driver.
Oh, you're waiting for your driver.
He's on his way.
You live here?
I own this property.
This is one of your properties?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm into real estate.
Wow, real estate.
What about you?
Me, by the special grace of God, I'm into oil and gas.
Wow, that's nice.
I own some properties in this estate. Like
you don't
3.
mean it.
Don't mention.
You know what? Here's my card. Give me a call.
Your card.
Yeah.
Guess what? I'm buying some properties next week.
You don't mean it.
Like next week. You will be my plug.
Okay.
You hear from me.
Bye.
Banabars, son of grace. Come on.
Oga, so my brother, this is the house. See this one now.
Oh, this is the house.
That's a very cool and calm place.
I like it too.
Yes, according to your budget, which is
60,000
for 1 year. Yes, yes. This is very cool and calm place. You will love it. Just pay your rent, caution fee, and agent. You move in. That's all.
Okay, it's not about the rent too. Hope there's security here because I like security.
My brother, this my sister has been living here for 2 years.
Are you serious?
Confirm.
You know that's same girl.
Lagos. Lagos.
Lagos will humble you.
Real estate.
Oil and gas.
We finally became neighbors.
Nigeria.
You do things.
Oh my God, poor man.
Point of correction. You ain't coming Mamoka no more. Call me Caro the Star, because I'm going to shine.
Oza Jakoma.
I'm a star and shine.
Caro the Star, which day you begin to answer Caro the Star, Mamoka?
Yeah, they say I'm local. That's why my song don't go far. So now I'm the mother of Lil Wayne. Who call me Mommy Wayne.
Mommy Wayne.
Mommy Wayne. Wait till you even carry for teeth like this. Wait till they your teeth.
It's called Teeth Shine.
Mom carry okay. Mommy Lee.
Get lost, local boy. I don't roll with local people. Yeah. And see, you don't F for me because I'm blow your hair. I'm a bad big.
I'm good.
I'm bad big.
I'm good. It's okay.
Onyamulungano bio. Onyamula dugo. Onyamula sana bio. Mata de kakugo. Yeah. Koshanyi tiki. Kai malo.
This guy mumu.
Kai malo. Yeah.
Dude.
Nebo, I buy you small gift too.
Thank you. Oh, I really appreciate it.
See, Nebo, in case you don't mind, just turn me to your ATM machine. I'm available anytime you need anything. Just call me.
Okay, can I have your number?
Nebo, don't worry. Let me do that. I'm a gentleman. Put your own number here. I don't save her.
No problem. Thank you.
Now, love her, they love you like this. So now the sign, they show you small. It's just my little way of saying I love you.
This Benz is for you.
You know, screen board fully.
I just record now. No, go post that big boozer.
Jesus, thank you.
This is just to inform you that I am interested in you. You know, see, once you just accept, I get you another one.
Nah,
and there is more where it's coming from. So it's just for you to think about it. All right?
Thank you.
Now, man, they didn't follow man.
You
won't follow me, they rub shoulder. So who she want accept now? Nobody who bring best. Hey, why buy 17,000? I the one use the computer.
Take this love potion. Put it in her food. And
you don't need to not do love potion.
As the wine, once I put this one inside the food, she don't love me.
Yes.
As the wine, I say no more. Once this one walk, I go use dance, destroy this your shrine. See my return.
Go, my son.
Neighbor. I buy food for you from Ndakrumba.
Oh, you should have now.
The food go well, oh. You will love it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, this is for me to still show you that I love you. It's not by Benz. They say stomach first. Make you not go the drive Benz. Go outside. You have to make the right choice, oh. Never. I love you. Think about it, oh. Never.
You were slap.
Mama.
Are you
stupid? How dare you? Nebona, I love her, they love you now. I come to check on you if you don't chop the food where I give you finish. Nebona, why you slap me? Okay, because you bought me food. You feel you can touch me anyhow. Do I look hungry to you? Thank God I didn't eat the food. I gave it to my brother. See, if I go inside, come back, I see you for here. What I go do? You don't go like him. Nonsense.
Never.
Never. Are you leaving me?
Oh, you look so cute.
Okay, now you be the brother where chop the food.
I know you like me. You can do it again this side. I like you.
I don't look the chat. He dey buy. Shut, boss. I swear to God, boss, I just made my first 1 million naira in forest. I swear. I can't say, would they get a clear for here? Yes. Not me teach you? Yes.
So which currency pay you trade? Gold USD or USD Euro? Which one?
No, now my laptop myself.
A win is a win. What matters is you did what you
Sorry, you cannot be granted the US visa at this time. Try again next time.
Please now.
Please, you can go.
Go.
Next.
Auntie, we are Nigerian Christians.
Okay.
Oh, why didn't you say it earlier?
You think it's a joke?
Yeah.
You've been granted the US visa.
Thank you. Let's go meet our Christian leader. We'll really Trump for you.
So you are welcome to my first class. Yeah, you understand. How much you make yesterday?
I made about 735 naira 22 kobo.
Internet
money.
got paid 480. So you want start with 10 million,
Yes.
Show shot your evidence.
Yeah.
They don't
money day, now you don't get.
You came late. So I go deposit your money now. So you go start the make I see your shot. You dey sharp. I go deposit your money. I go see how they go. I don't deposit them.
Up.
You dey see am. Up way.
Up.
You dey see am. Up way.
Hey! Yeah, waiting for my lead. My lead.
You see as the market go down, and now why them shout? As they shout now, the money don't go. So next class now Wednesday when I go come, I be follow them. Next class, you go recover. Why you no go follow them? I mean market. You go now. What for you? I'm go now.
10 million don't go. Oh my, these guys when they do all this for us, I don't even know how it works. And in all honesty, I don't want even learn that stuff. I don't want to learn them. As in, I don't even want to have any interest in it at all because from which I the say that thing if you carry you go village, where they inside village, like in a split second. You understand? So for people they do them and if they work for one, it's okay. Don't teach me. I don't even want to learn. You understand? I don't want to learn. But it's all good. If you want to learn, you can go and learn. Some people they make money inside. It all depends on your choice. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And like I always tell you guys, check out my other videos. They will pop up on your screen. So check them out and trust me, you will not regret it. And if you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. It's very important. Subscribe guys and share this video. So see you in the next one guys. Peace and love.